Guys, watch the video till the end. It's very heart touching video. You can see the story of the dog. He just look at the owner and the owner is by the plane. Guys, just like the video, just like the video. And he just waited for his last breath. Just wait and wait. Guys, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Like, share and subscribe.